make a paper airplane. I choose this paper that I wanted color before. So, Canada. So first, let me do this so you can see what. Hello. So here, I'll fix that. Okay, and then like that. So fold it, like a hot dog fold. Hot dog fold. Hot dog fold like this. And then unfold your hot dog fold. And then this corner will go here. Put right here. Exactly right there. And then this corner will go right here. Like that. So it should look like this. Like that. And then you fold it again, not like this. These flaps have to go. Be folded out like that. So let me fix this. So like this. Like this. Okay, now like that. And this, fold it, crease everything, and then this corner, and then the side you're on, fold it like this. Down here, you will fold it like go to the top and then fold it to the bottom like that. Like this. The top to the bottom like this. It should look like this side. Like there should be a little thing here. And then do the same thing but a little bit more. Like that. You're almost done right now. So, and then do the same thing on the other side. So flip it. Then move the top to the bottom. And then crease it. And then there should be a little thing here, right here. Do you see it? And then down again, like this. And then there. And then look here. You got your own paper airplane. Woo! Bye! Say bye to me. Hi, friend. You mean hey, pig?